There's a serious fracas between the chairman and the president when they were going to appoint the.
Welcome to the Political Round with me, the voice right here on Ghana and Sam TV. Please like, comment, subscribe, share, turn on the notifications so that anytime videos of this nature are uploaded, you'll be notified.
Are you aware that we have a prime minister in Ghana now? I hope you know that. I'm very happy you know the new prime minister in Ghana. All the CEOs, look at the CEOs that have been appointed. Almost all of them are from his camp. Almost all of them. The Randy Abe, the Sami, all the boys are from his camp. Those that he nurtured, he pays them every month. For the party to pay him back, you see, they've appointed these people. Again, there's this same flight issue that you were talking about. Do you remember 2008, 2000 when Kufuor won power? When he said he's not going to the castle, but he's going to reside in his house at Airport Residential. When the policeman said, okay, he's going to renovate the house for him, the current Speaker of Parliament came out to ask Ghanaians, what is the interest of the man who says he's going to renovate the house? Now the question here is, what is the interest of Ibrahim Mahama for giving his brother the plane? Because he can't give him for free. For giving his brother the plane, what is his interest? For God, because he knows that, you see, look at where they've put in his people. Key places. They've given Randy Abbey, Cocobot. Yama, friend is saying, this Sami Jemfi, PMMP. Look at the DVLA guy, the gang guy that was giving DVLA. It's his boy. Look at the kick. The lady that Myth, she's also coming from his camp. The only person that I can say that is not very is the son of the chairman. Are you aware that there's a fracas between the chairman and the president? Are you aware? There's a serious fracas between the chairman and the president. When they were going to appoint the NLA boss, the chairman said he has someone that he wants to give that position to. The president didn't hear. He went to bring a Muslim. He disgracing Muslims, giving us NLA. Gambling, to come ahead gambling. Once you know our religion is against that, but you went ahead and you gave us that position. Ask yourself, the chairman, did you see him in who? Did you see the chairman in who on Friday? Did you see the chairman there? So ask yourself question. How can the party move without the chairman? If you know there's Asiedu Nketia. I tell you Nketia, on Friday and Chow, who the end or the bayo? He's a straightforward person. On Friday and Chow. So I'm happy this evening you are letting Ghanaians. You see, Ghanaians should understand that we are dealing with people who have a department for propaganda, a whole department, propaganda, lies, deceit, throw lies. I'm happy you raised the point. My last point that I will make. You said I'm waiting, I'm patiently that day I will not go anywhere and listen to what that liar will come and say at his vetting. That liar will come and say, one day I'll give you the story of me and Okujeto. One day when I'll give you that story. In IPS, when we were searching for Luke's president, one day I'll give you that story. Don't worry. Thank you very much. To anything at all that they tell them. You'll be surprised that you hear them saying things and you see them ask yourself, these things that they are saying, do they really understand what they are saying? Or yeah, come on, Minsumi Kebi. Because this issue of 700 cameras, a government that left power, a government that lost power on the 7th of December, a government that you were in transition with from 8 going, you were in the office with them, having meetings with them in the same office. How can they go and set up 700 cameras? And you hear people who are saying, Akufo-Addo is wicked, Akufo-Addo is this thing. You see, the target they set themselves, it is unachievable. So they need to lie to Ghanaians so that if they've not been able to achieve their target, it's normal. Ghanaians can say, oh, Akufo-Addo cry, yeah, and they were not able to achieve their target. They've not been able to achieve their target. But you see, Ghanaians are wide awake now. I always tell people the era of free education, it will be difficult for you to lie to somebody because whatever you say is on the internet for the person to read and understand whatever you are saying. Just imagine telling people that we have only 5 hours fuel left, forgetting that you have a former energy minister who can come and clarify. But you see, The voice, what is happening is we should always be ready for them because more lies will come. We should be ready for them. We should look at what they said when they are vetting Abuja. Look at what he said. We've constructed 673 kilometers of road, but not 13,000. When the reality dawned on him, when they brought the transition that you did, what the documents, when they brought it on his head now, Abuja has nothing to say again. You see, look at when they went to friend saying when Harun Edusu took over. Look at what he's saying. And the free research that we did, it's not the number that we say we've done, but it's lesser than that number. Someone that sat, president that sat, the education minister of education had that figure. Today you are telling Ghanaians that it's not the same figure. And in any case, if it's not the same figure, were you able to do even half of what this government did? You told Ghanaians this government has built nothing as schools. Now you came to power when the relative dawned on you now. You are now telling Ghanaians that you are taking food to STEM schools. The STEM schools that you said they've not built, where are you going to put the food at? So you see, it's a reality check. This party will lie just to have their way. By this modern, these opposition MPPs guys that we are here now, we will scrutinize you and make sure say you will make sure that the truth will come out for every Ghanaian to know. Say this is the truth, and I'm happy today you are telling Ghanaians the real truth, what they should know. Man,